Hi, welcome back to the Amoretti Test Kitchen. We're making a really fun drink today. We are making a Snickers Frappuccino. We had tons of requests on our social media for this after making the Twix Frappuccino. So come on, this is an easy drink. You just throw everything in the blender with a lot of good stuff in it. Let's do this. So we're gonna start off with a cup of milk into our blender that already had a little bit of ice in it. We are gonna add a shot of espresso. You don't have to add a shot. We are just, going for a traditional Frappuccino. 1 tablespoon of cocoa powder, unsweetened. It really just gives you that candy bar taste inside of your cup. And then to this, what really gives it the Snickers taste is some of our Amoretti premium syrup. So here we have our caramel syrup. We're gonna do 1.5 pumps. And then we also have our English toffee, another 1.5 pumps here. I think you should always add a little bit of whipped cream to a Frappuccino. It adds that light and fluffy airiness, and it's just good. So just add a little bit of whipped cream, put the lid on, and let's blend this. Okay. Wow, I'm getting stronger. I can't normally get that open on the first try. Must be all those Snickers I'm eating. Okay, we're just gonna pour it in the glass. We're gonna top it with a mountain full of whipped cream because I think that's the only appropriate amount of whipped cream when a recipe calls for it. So just keep going. Even if you feel like it's too much, just keep going. And then we're gonna top it with a little more syrup just to let the people know what they're getting into. A little bit of toffee, a little bit of caramel, and a few candy pieces. And there is your Snickers Frappuccino. Thank you so much for joining us today for this fun and easy recipe. I hope you guys get to try it. If you liked this video, make sure you hit like. You can also comment down below if there's another candy bar Frappuccino you want us to give a try. We will test it out in the kitchen. And lastly, subscribe to our channel. You get lots of good recipes when you follow us. You can follow us on social media as well at Amoretti on Instagram, Twitter, TikTok, and Facebook. Bye, thanks.